Alright, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023 i4. This is the non-M Sport version. This is the eDrive 40. Like all our vehicles, these are all vehicle specific. So basically every bracket or car that we fit is a custom fit. There's the front, and you can see that they've actually pre-drilled this one for the. This will be for the non-ACC or the camera, which would be on the driver's side. So this one's going to go in the center, the bottom. And also this one has fasteners on it, which is nice because then we don't have to drill holes in the bottom, which we don't want to do. But sometimes there's nothing there and we have no choice. So. Alright, I'm going to turn it over to Mike here.
Okay, so what we're going to do is remove these two center screws using the 10mm socket. We're going to be reusing these factory screws, so we're going to take them out and then we're going to put them right back on. There we go. Alright. So now that we have the factory screws out, we're going to put them right back into the thing, but we're going to add a 1/8 inch spacer just to fill that little void right there, just so when we tighten it up it doesn't bend it in. You're going to start that one, and same thing, factory screw through, 1/8 inch spacer on top, start it in the hole, and then tighten her down. There you go. And there you go, done. And then you're going to take your front plate, start it into the hole, pull the pull pin, and slide it till it locks into place. And there you go.
Yeah, and make sure that after you tighten those screws, that base should be nice and steady. Shouldn't move. And then here's the front angle, and your license plate goes on the front of the front plate, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.